17,228,340. Made in the USA and imported. Set of 2. Gigantic tote. 100% polypropylene. Easy to clean, just rinse with water and let dry. Volume, 19 gallon. Lightweight, generously oversized, foldable. Set of 2 IKEA large shopping bag. Top reviews from the United States. Can't live without these bags. These bags are absolutely priceless. I live up a full flight of outdoor stairs, so having bags that can accommodate a lot of things is essential. Bringing things like sheet cakes and crock pots full of yumminess to work and family gatherings is no problem as long as I have these bags. Transporting cases of canned goods, bottled drinks, and heavier items like liquid laundry detergent to the food shelf is so much easier with these bags. This one bag can accommodate several bags of groceries and or other store purchases, so I can get everything up into my house in one trip. Love, love, love these bags.